ChatGPT just got a $200 price tag. Here's what you can use instead. If you're an indie founder, you know how important it is to stay on top of the latest AI tools. But with ChatGPT's new $200 price tag, it's time to explore alternative options. In this video, we'll show you 5 free AI chatbot alternatives to ChatGPT that you can use to boost your productivity and save money. The first alternative on our list is Perplexity. This AI chatbot is designed to provide more in-depth and nuanced responses than ChatGPT. It's free to use, with no subscription fees or limits on the number of questions you can ask. To get started with Perplexity, simply head to their website and start typing your questions. You can also integrate Perplexity with other tools like Notion or Google Docs to streamline your workflow. One of the unique features of Perplexity is its ability to understand context and provide follow-up questions to clarify your query. This makes it an excellent tool for research and brainstorming. For example, if you're working on a marketing campaign, you can use Perplexity to generate ideas and refine your strategy. Another great alternative to ChatGPT is Jasper. This AI chatbot is specifically designed for content creation and can help you generate high-quality blog posts, social media posts, and more. Jasper is free to use, with a limited number of credits per month. You can earn more credits by referring friends or purchasing a subscription. To get started with Jasper, simply sign up for an account and start exploring their templates and prompts. One of the unique features of Jasper is its ability to understand tone and style, allowing you to generate content that resonates with your audience. For example, if you're a blogger, you can use Jasper to generate ideas for your next post or even write a full draft. Jasper also integrates with popular content management systems like WordPress and Medium, making it easy to publish your content. If you're looking for a more conversational AI chatbot experience, you might want to try out 11 Labs. This AI chatbot is designed to provide more human-like responses and can even understand sarcasm and humor. 11 Labs is free to use, with no subscription fees or limits on the number of questions you can ask. To get started with 11 Labs, simply head to their website and start chatting. You can also integrate 11 Labs with other tools like Slack or Discord to streamline your communication. One of the unique features of 11 Labs is its ability to understand idioms and colloquialisms, making it an excellent tool for language learners or those looking to improve their communication skills. For example, if you're a language learner, you can use 11 Labs to practice your conversation skills and get feedback on your pronunciation. The fourth alternative on our list is Descript. This AI chatbot is specifically designed for audio and video editing and can help you generate high-quality transcripts, subtitles, and more. Descript is free to use, with a limited number of minutes per month. You can earn more minutes by purchasing a subscription or referring friends. To get started with Descript, simply sign up for an account and start uploading your audio or video files. One of the unique features of Descript is its ability to understand audio and video context, allowing you to generate accurate transcripts and subtitles. For example, if you're a podcaster, you can use Descript to generate transcripts of your episodes and make them more accessible to your audience. Descript also integrates with popular audio and video editing software like Adobe Audition and Final Cut Pro, making it easy to incorporate into your workflow. The fifth and final alternative on our list is Muff. This AI chatbot is specifically designed for Voiceover and can help you generate high-quality voiceovers for your videos, podcasts, and more. Muff is free to use, with a limited number of credits per month. You can earn more credits by purchasing a subscription or referring friends. To get started with Muff, simply sign up for an account and start exploring their templates and prompts. One of the unique features of Muff is its ability to understand tone and style, allowing you to generate voiceovers that resonate with your audience. For example, if you're a YouTuber, you can use Muff to generate voiceovers for your videos and make them more engaging. Muff also integrates with popular video editing software like Adobe Premiere and DaVinci Resolve, making it easy to incorporate into your workflow. In addition to these 5 alternatives, there are many other free AI chatbot tools available that can help you boost your productivity and save money. For example, you can use a tool like Pictory to generate high-quality videos from your blog posts or social media posts. Or you can use a tool like Synthesia to generate high-quality voiceovers for your videos or podcasts. The key is to experiment with different tools and find the ones that work best for you and your business. By doing so, you can save time and money and focus on what matters most: growing your business and achieving your goals. When it comes to choosing the right AI chatbot tool for your business, there are several factors to consider. First and foremost, you need to think about what you want to achieve with the tool. Are you looking to generate high-quality content? Or do you need help with customer support? Once you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve, you can start exploring different tools and finding the ones that best fit your needs. You should also consider the cost of the tool, as well as any limitations or restrictions that may apply. By taking the time to carefully evaluate your options, you can find the perfect AI chatbot tool for your business and start achieving your goals. Another important factor to consider when choosing an AI chatbot tool is the level of customization and flexibility it offers. Some tools may be more rigid and inflexible, while others may offer a high degree of customization and flexibility. Depending on your specific needs and goals, you may want to choose a tool that offers more flexibility and customization options. For example, if you're a marketer, you may want to choose a tool that allows you to customize the tone and style of the chatbot to fit your brand's voice and personality. By choosing a tool that offers the right level of customization and flexibility, you can get the most out of your AI chatbot and achieve your goals. Finally, it's worth noting that the world of AI chatbots is constantly evolving and changing. New tools and technologies are being developed all the time, and it's essential to stay up to date with the latest developments and advancements. By following industry leaders and staying informed about the latest trends and technologies, you can stay ahead of the curve and make the most of your AI chatbot tool. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or small business owner, there's never been a better time to get started with AI chatbots and start achieving your goals. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about AI chatbot tools and how to use them to boost your productivity,